Today we're going to talk about Kubbu, which is a free website where teachers can find as well as create activities for their class. To get there, all you're going to do is enter Kubbu into your search tab. It's going to be the first option they have listed. Once you're here, one of the really cool features that they offer is shared activities. In shared activities, they have a whole list of different subjects as well as a search bar if your subject isn't listed. And then you're just going to click or type in the option. Once you're there, you'll see they have all kinds of different activities already created. You can just look through those, find one that you like for your class. Once you guys log in, you're going to be brought to this page. If you guys go on the Activities tab, this is where they have the 5 different activities that you can create yourself for your class. If we just go to Match, you're going to go to the bottom, click Add Activities. For all of them, they give you some general information at the very beginning. And then you just hit Next Step, and you can enter in the terms and definitions to be matched up. In the next activity, Divide. Again, Add Activity. For this one, you're going to have to enter in groups, and then like the matching one, once you hit Next Step, you just have terms that go under those individual groups. For the slider, again, Add Activity, General Information. This is just your basic test with 1 question and 4 answer options. With the composer, this is going to be like the last one, but more of a custom test where you can make single answer, multi-answer, true, false, etc. And then in the last one, crossword, you can add activity, general information. You're just going to enter the words and the hints that go with them, and it'll generate the crossword puzzle for you. And that is Kubbu.